Ever wonder what your dreams are trying to tell you? Let's dive into some common dream symbols, starting with streets and roads. Did you know that every single dream is about you, the dreamer? That's because every person, place, and thing you see in your dream is actually an aspect of your own consciousness. When you fall asleep, your attention shifts from the outside world to your inner world. Your thoughts become images, and these dreams reveal the hidden thoughts within your subconscious mind. So when you see a street or a road in your dream, it represents your life path. It's the journey you're on to reach your goals. And what about a car? Think of a car as your physical body. It's the vehicle your consciousness uses in this physical reality to move forward. If you dream that you're driving smoothly down a road, making good progress, it's a reflection of the progress you're making in your waking life. You're on track and moving toward your goals, but what if you're stuck? Maybe you dream you're stopped on the side of the road or in a traffic jam. This often mirrors a feeling of being stuck in your life, unable to make any progress toward what you want. Have you ever dreamed of driving off the road? That can be a startling experience, and it usually means you feel like you've gone off course in your life path. You might be straying from your true purpose or your intended goals. Another common dream is feeling lost, not knowing where to go or how to get to your destination. This is a very direct reflection of feeling lost in your waking life. You might be unsure about your next steps, or you might not have a clear vision of how to achieve your goals. Your dream is simply showing you this internal confusion. The key is that your dreams are a direct line to your subconscious, offering you incredible insights into what's really going on inside. They're not random. They're messages from you to you. By understanding these symbols, you can start to see your life with more clarity. The street in your dream isn't just a street, it's your life's journey. The cart isn't just a cart, it's you navigating that journey. If you want to dive deeper and get true clarity on any dream you have, you should check out the Cheetah Dream Decoder. It's a powerful tool that can help you understand the unique language of your subconscious mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more dream insights.